Greetings from Alkota Cleaning Systems. Today I want to show you guys the Alkota Parts Repair Box. This handy box is super compact. It's full of really the most common parts that you're going to need out in the field. If your machine breaks down, you need something really quick to get things back up and running, there's a good chance those parts are going to be in here. Let me pop this thing open for you guys. As you'll see on the inside here, we've got pictures of all the items and part numbers for easy reordering if you end up using something. And then of course, the guts of the box here, we got all kinds of goodies. So we've got all kinds of different plugs for different needs. We got quick couplers right here. We've got O-rings. So when you shoot that nozzle out and lose your O-ring, you've got a replacement right here waiting for you. We've got filters. We've got garden hose filters. With the adapter, just in case you got a different size you're running. We've got some plumber's tape here. We've also got picks, so if you need to get in and replace that O-ring really easily, you've got some tools right here at your fingertips, ready to go. So again, that is the Alkota Parts Repair Box. It's great for homeowners, commercial cleaners, anybody out in the field using pressure washer daily. If you want to learn more about this box, please reach out to your local Alkota distributor. They're going to be able to get you pricing and then get one of these in your hands. Thanks. Have a great day.